So you're trying to SSH into your server, and instead of logging in, your terminal hits you with this.
Host key verification failed.
You haven't changed anything on your end, your credentials are correct, and yet SSH is refusing to let you in. Frustrating, right? I'm Marcus from RDP Arena, and in this video, I'll show you a simple method to fix this error in seconds, using just one simple command. Before we jump into the fix, you need to understand why this happens, so it doesn't stress you out next time. When you connect to a remote server using SSH, your computer saves a unique identity for that server. It's called a host key, and it's stored locally on your device in a file called known_hosts. Now, if you've recently reinstalled your Linux server or upgraded it, the server generates a brand new host key. But your local machine still has the old one saved. So when you try to connect, SSH compares the two, sees they don't match, and blocks the connection to protect you. That's when you see the host key verification failed error. Now let's fix it. On your screen, you can see I'm in the Terminal app on my Mac, and I've hit the warning that the remote host identification has changed. Right after that, the connection stops with the host key verification error. Here's what you need to do. Type in SSH-keygen, followed by a space, then -R, followed by your Linux server's IP address. Once you've typed the full command, press Enter. This command removes the old saved host key for that IP address from your known_hosts file, clearing the mismatch that was blocking your login. Now let's check if the fix worked. But before we continue, just a quick note for you. If you ever need a fast and reliable VPS for your projects, you can always check out our website, rdparena.com. And since you've stayed with me this far in the video, I wanted to give you something special, a flat 30% discount on your first purchase. Just enter the code 30YAY during checkout to grab your discount. Don't wait too long though. Availability is limited and this offer won't last forever. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, now let's confirm the fix worked. Type in SSH, add a space, then enter your server username, the @ symbol, and your server's IP address. Once you've typed that in, just press Enter. Now, because you removed the old host key, your SSH client is seeing this server's fingerprint for the first time again. So it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Simply type yes and hit Enter. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your server password. Type it in and then press Enter. And that's it. You're back in. No more host key verification error, and your SSH client has stored the new, correct host key for future connections. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.